With the initial launch of new iOS version, everyone was very excited to know its features and use it. But oddly enough, tech forums saw a surge of messages, which said that the iOS 15 install stuck on terms and conditions. The new iOS 15 installation has already troubled many users. Now let's fix it. PhoneGeek iOS System Recovery is one of the most recommended tools for iOS system repair. Besides repairing iOS system issues, the PhoneGeek iOS System Recovery also allows you to free enter, exit recovering mode. Having said that, let's see how you can use this tool if you can't get past terms and conditions while installing the latest iOS without losing data.